Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And guys, today in this video it's an unboxing video. Guys, today we are going to do unboxing of this portable Bluetooth speaker from Zebronics. Actually, here you can see it's the model is County Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker Zep County, and this output power is 3 watt guys actually, and it will support up to 32 GB of memory card, SD card actually. It's good. And you can see the charging time is 2.5 hours, and the playback time is up to nearly 12 hours guys approximately they are provided. And this portable Bluetooth speaker weight is 270 grams. That's good, from Zebronics guys. Actually this Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker price is 549 rupees in Amazon. Actually purchase this product from Amazon only. You can purchase this product in Amazon guys. That's good. Okay, not only in Amazon guys, even it is available in Flipkart also. This Zebronics Bluetooth speaker actually. Let's come on guys, it's now time to do a unboxing of this product. Let's come on. Just I need to remove this tape first. Okay, I have removed, and let's come on, it's now time to open this box out now. Okay, you can see here's the Bluetooth speaker from Zebronics. Yeah, just I need to check this out. Let's see what are the things they have provided actually. So this inside there's a one card is there. Actually it's for user manual. They are not providing any papers and all. They're providing this card. You need to scan and you can read a user manual guide guys, select how to use and all. And here they have given something like please make sure to charge the product fully before first use. Okay, that's good. Just we need to charge the product before this first use. No issues. And here's the cable, power cable. It's a type C. You can see here's the type C cable, and another one is USB. Okay, just keep this aside guys. Let's keep this box aside. And here you can see here's the Zep County Bluetooth portable soundbar. Just I need to open it out now. You can see. Cha-cha-cha. Yeah, you can see here's the Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker guys. Actually it's good. Here you can see here's the branding Zebronics, and weight is also, it's just a lightweight only guys. It's not too heavy actually. That's good. And here are the buttons they have given actually, like and I think it's a mode button, this volume button, and here I think it's a pass or play button. Seems just anyway, just read that, just scan this user manual. Just you can read if you just scan this in your phone for user manual. Just I'm guessing this button, that's it. Okay, and here you can see here's the micro SD card we can able to insert here, and here's the USB port is there, and here's the charging port, and the other another one is, it seems like a power on or off button, it seems. That's it. And here you can see guys, it's good. We can handle like this. That's it. And okay, just I need to put a charge guys. You can see 3 watt input is DC 5 watt and 1 amp. Okay guys, just I will charge this Bluetooth soundbar, because they have provided instruction like please make sure to charge the product fully before first use. Just I need to charge this product fully, and later just I will play some test sound for testing purpose. Let's see how it is working. Okay guys, just I will pass this video and I will resume it back after a few minutes, because just I need to put a little charge for this Bluetooth speakers only. And okay guys, let's come on, now it's time to play some sound video. Let's check how was the audio quality. Just I need to turn on this
Zebronics, always ahead. Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, it's good, it's showing a Bluetooth mode. Just I need to pair with this mobile phone. Let's go on, just I'm turning on this, and okay, you can see Here's the zip county. Our device is here. Just click on that. It's pairing. Just click pair.
Zeb County is now connected.
Wow, it's so loud, guys. Actually, you can see it's good. And okay, guys, just I'm going to play some video. Actually, it's a testing video only. And okay, guys, here you can see just I'm going to play this testing video. Just see how was the audio quality. Hey, hello guys, actually in this video here you can see, guys, here's the Zebronics portable Bluetooth speakers here. It's just a testing video only, guys, to test the sound in this Bluetooth speaker. That's it. Okay, that's good. Actually, guys, here you can see the audio quality is very superb, guys. Actually, this Bluetooth speaker is very small, but sound is very large. Actually, but sound is very good. That's good. Okay, that's it. And regarding this video, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and just tell your comments in the below comment section. How was this speaker audio quality is? And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.